In this video, we will explain why HFO-based refrigeration systems can be an attractive and sustainable solution for mild freezing processes. You want to make the right choice to have the best process cooling system possible, a system offering the lowest cost with safe and efficient performance for years to come. Let's look at 6 criteria to consider or reconsider when comparing a system with an HFO refrigerant, in our case R1234ZE, to an ammonia-based system. Looking at the initial investment in a process cooling system, let's see why ammonia systems can be significantly more expensive. Higher cost of an ammonia system stem from hours spent to design the system, expensive stainless steel piping required to withstand ammonia's corrosive properties, and finally, special devices that are mounted and required to monitor the safety of the system. Standard design, production, and components allow manufacturers to offer HFO-based systems at a lower cost. And when it's not the right time for capital investments, solutions for long-term rental of HFO-based systems are available, such as Train Easy. Toxicity and the safety of people and our environment should be taken seriously. It is well known that ammonia is extremely toxic. R1234ZE, on the other hand, is a substance with very low toxicity. Regular maintenance will always be needed on any process cooling system, but some systems are easier to maintain than others. Because of its toxic properties, when handling ammonia or performing maintenance on ammonia systems, facility managers and technicians must take very intense safety precautions, anticipate and manage the risks to people and the surroundings. Maintenance on a system with R1234ZE can be performed with limited risks. In addition, trained technicians are fully trained on safe maintenance of units containing HFOs. Our extensive service network is available 24/7 to intervene whenever required. In order to reach sustainability targets, we cannot neglect the global warming potential, or GWP, of each fluid. R1234ZE is a near-zero HFO with a GWP of less than 1, which means it has a lower impact on global warming than CO2. It should be noted that R1234ZE doesn't form TFA. Ammonia has a GWP of 0. The two fluids are very comparable from this perspective. Another thing to consider that can make a big difference is lead time. The main factor is standardization. Manufacturers like Trane build standardized products in our factories with standardized components, giving way to very attractive lead times to deliver the appropriate system with 1234ZE on short notice. Non-standardized products like ammonia-based systems take longer to design and manufacture before they can finally ship to be installed. The last but equally important criterion to consider is performance. Standardized products such as chillers with R1234ZE have undergone rigorous R&D procedures to end up with simply the best performance and efficiency levels. Units are tested and certified by third parties to prove that catalog performance is truly delivered. As long as ammonia systems are not certified by third-party certifying bodies such as Eurovent or AHRI, performances will lack this level of validation. In conclusion, today's specially designed process cooling systems operating with R1234ZE have clear advantages compared to ammonia-based systems that have been traditionally used. If you require a sustainable, cost-effective, safe, and high-performing process cooling system, contact your local Trane office to find out more about what Trane can do for you.